To create quiz videos for YouTube, follow the steps you usually would to upload a new YouTube video. So let's go ahead and click on Create on the top right-hand side and then on Upload Video. Either drag and drop the video file to upload or click on Select Files at the bottom to add a new YouTube video to add quiz videos to. Select the appropriate file from your documents and then click on Open. Once that video has been uploaded, follow the steps you usually would to add the details to this YouTube video. This includes the title, description, such as this video is all about how to create quiz videos for YouTube, thumbnail, playlists, tags, such as quiz videos, and anything else you'd like to add. Then click on Next at the bottom. Select how you want to earn money from your video if you so wish. I'll turn ads to on and then click on Done and click on Next at the bottom. Under Ad Suitability, I'll select None of the Above, submit my rating, and then click on Next at the bottom. If you wish, you can also add other video elements such as music licenses, subtitles, the option to tag products, end screens, cards, and the topic of this video, the option to add a quiz. On YouTube, you can now make your videos more interactive with quizzes directly through the YouTube Studio. So let's go ahead and click on Add on the right. To add a new quiz to your YouTube video, select the appropriate time where you ask your question. So let's go ahead and listen to what I'm saying. This is the video for you. So this is the sample question number 1. So over here we have sample question number 1. The options are A, B, C, and D. So we'll type in under answer 1, A, under answer 2, B, under answer 3, C, and under answer 4, D, with the correct option being answer C. If you wish, you can also add an explanation to said question, such as this is the answer to question 1. To add a new quiz to your YouTube video, just go ahead and select the location of your second question. D. Now we have question 2, which is over here. Click on Add Quiz on the top left-hand side and follow the same steps. For this second question, the answers are 1, 2. Let's add another answer. So write 3 and add another answer and write 4. With the correct answer being number 2. And I have a third question to this video, which I want to add. So let's locate where I asked that question. Last question, question number 3, which is over here. Let's add a quiz, and again, write the answers. In this case, the answers are G. Answer 2 is H. Let's click and add an answer, and type in as answer 3, I. And click on Add an Answer again and type in as answer 4, J, with the correct answer being option G. As the explanation to this third question, let's say this is the answer to question 3. For each of these questions, you need to type in what the actual question is, such as question 1, or number 2, let's type in question 2. And for the explanation, which I hadn't added, let's type in, this is the answer to question 2. And for quiz 3, let's add as the quiz question, question 3. Once you have added all of your quizzes, all of your options, all of your answers, and the explanations, click on Save on the top right-hand side. Once a quiz is saved, you won't be able to edit it. If you need to make changes, you must delete the existing quiz and create a new one. Please note that deletion is permanent and can't be undone. If you accept this, click on Save at the bottom of the pop-up. Now let's click on Next, and then on Next again. I'll add this video as enlisted, and then play through it so you can see how quiz videos for YouTube work in action. So let's go ahead and click on Save. I just opened up the video in a new YouTube account so you can view how this quiz video works in action. So let's click on play and see what happens. If you want to add a quiz to your YouTube videos, this is the video for you. So this is the sample question number 1. We have option A, option B, option C, and option D. Let me pause right here. Now you may be wondering, no quiz questions appeared on the screen. So how do you actually go about answering those questions? All you have to do is scroll down, and right here at the bottom, you'll see Quizzes 3. To take the quiz, click on this, and then the quizzes will appear here on the right. You then can see the name of the quiz, how many people answered the quiz, and the options. So let's go ahead and click one of the options. Say I select option B. As you can see, this option was wrong and it will automatically show me the right answer. You can then continue watching the video. And the correct answer is option C. And if you wish, as the creator, you can even offer your explanation within the video itself. Now, if I answer a question correctly, such as select option 2 for question number 2, you will see that a check mark will appear. Now you know how to create quiz videos for YouTube. If you want even more YouTube tips and tricks, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.